Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about different how to create different Instagram post on different niches. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a gaming Instagram post. You can sell this service to YouTubers, gaming YouTubers, gamers, or you can sell this service to local uh, platforms, gaming platforms, or you can search for Google for gaming websites, and you can offer your services to them that you can maintain their Instagram presence. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best online graphic designing tool. You don't need to be an expert of graphic designing or experienced graphic designer. You just have to start. So let's get started. I click on create a design, and here I search Instagram post. I would like to choose square. So in the search bar I search gaming. Let's see what it shows to us. Yeah, I think this one is good. So you can customize this template like December, start date, end date, join, sorry, and win a prize and have opportunity to play with giants. Guys, please ignore the spelling mistakes, and here I write like fake website gaming.com. So guys, you just have to get the details from the client and paste it in the post template. So our post is ready. So guys, if you don't know about in case if you don't know about canva.com, then I recommend you to go to my channel Iron Tech, and where I search the and go to playlist section and search playlist Canva designing course. If you watch the complete playlist, you can know everything about Canva. So guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and run through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.